Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. If you're looking for an air purifier that can help tackle smoke, allergies, pet dander, dust, and everyday household odors, the Coway Airmega 200M is one of the most trusted options available today. Was it really worth buying? What do all those performance numbers actually mean in real-world use? And why has this air purifier remained such a popular choice year after year? Let's find out. The Airmega 200M is designed to provide air cleaning coverage of up to 1,748 square feet in one air change per hour, making it suitable for large open spaces. For smaller rooms, it can deliver nearly 5 air changes per hour in spaces around 361 square feet, which is excellent for maintaining consistently clean indoor air. It features an impressive clean air delivery rate of 246 CFM for smoke, 249 CFM for dust, and 277 CFM for pollen, meaning it quickly removes common airborne pollutants from your home. Its 4-stage filtration system combines a washable pre-filter, deodorization filter, true HEPA filter, and bipolar ionizer. The true HEPA filter captures up to 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, pollen, pet dander, and smoke particles, helping create cleaner, healthier air for your family. One of the smartest features is the built-in air quality monitor. It continuously checks your indoor air and automatically adjusts the fan speed whenever it detects more particles in the air. That means you don't have to keep changing settings manually because the purifier does the work for you. When the air becomes clean, Eco Mode steps in to reduce power consumption by automatically stopping the fan until new pollutants are detected. Even at maximum performance, power usage is only up to 82 watts, making it an energy-efficient appliance for everyday use. Noise is another area where this purifier performs exceptionally well, operating between just 24.4 and 55.1 decibels. It stays whisper quiet on lower settings while still providing strong airflow when needed. Whether you're sleeping, working, or watching TV, it keeps the air clean without becoming distracting. Maintenance is also refreshingly simple. The filter indicator lets you know exactly when it's time to replace the deodorization or HEPA filters. Under normal conditions, the deodorization filter lasts around 6 months, while the HEPA filter typically lasts about 12 months. The washable pre-filter can simply be cleaned and reused, helping reduce long-term maintenance costs. The purifier measures approximately 16.8 inches wide, 18.3 inches tall, and 9.6 inches deep, while weighing only about 12.3 pounds. Its compact size makes it easy to place in bedrooms, living rooms, home offices, or apartments without taking up much space. Coway also backs the Airmega 200M with a 3-year limited warranty, providing additional confidence in its long-term reliability. Combined with its automatic operation, efficient filtration, quiet performance, and proven air cleaning capability, it's easy to see why this model continues to be one of the most recommended air purifiers for homes dealing with allergies, pets, smoke, and everyday airborne pollutants. If you want cleaner indoor air with minimal effort and dependable performance every day, the Coway Airmega 200M is definitely a purifier worth considering. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.